Okay, so real quick, before you watch this,
Hold on. That's my voice, right?
yeah,
But I actually never said that. You didn't see my mouth moving, did you?
nope, you didn't.
So, what did I even need to make this? Like an hour of me talking?
12
Or
seconds.
12 seconds? That's it?
12 seconds. And a graphics card you probably already have in your computer.
Now, what did this cost me, you might be asking?
Nothing. I never even left the house.
So, like I said, that wasn't my voice. I'm sure you could tell. And it didn't go up to anybody's server. It actually came off of my graphics card, like I was just showing you. On my computer right here in about 2 seconds, and it cost me nothing but the power to keep this computer on. And so before anybody types it, yeah, you could obviously tell that was my voice. So every time you hear the fake one, there's, something transparent is that I'm not cloning other people, and neither should you. That is something I definitely have to tell you. Unless they give you their permission, then okay, cool. But here's what I'm doing in the next 5 minutes or so. I'm going to show you the 4 steps. That's it, 4 steps. So by the end, I'm going to record 12 seconds of me talking right here on camera and make it say something that I actually never said. And best part is it's actually free. So there's no account, there's no trial, and it never even touches the internet. However, full transparency, there is a catch. And it's definitely not the one that you're thinking of. So everybody assumes that the problem is actually quality. But it's not. The quality is actually insane. It's nuts. It is something else, and I'll actually tell you at the end of the video, because that's the part that decides if you should even bother. So, alright, so step number 1, what do you actually have to have? So, a graphics card. That's pretty much the only rule. It should be a decent graphics card. And right now I'm only on a 4070 Super. So, and there's 12 gigs of VRAM. So the whole thing sits at about 5.5 gigs while it's running. So there's definitely plenty left over. But if you don't have a card, I'm going to be straight with you here. So this video, it's definitely not for you. So it can run on the processor, but it's really too slow to even be worth it. Alright, so step number 2, we are going to install it. Alright, so we're going to come over here into the terminal, and we're just going to simply type in venv voice. I'm going to type that in. Voice /bin/pip install, and then chatterbox-tts. And there's one more, voice bin pip install setuptools 81. So like I said, this is called Chatterbox, and it's open source, so it's free. And like I said, I will also put the link in the description. So 3 lines, that's the install. Now that 3rd line that I mentioned, the voice bin pip install setup tools, we can't skip that one. So I lost a solid 20 minutes easily on that one, because without it, the whole thing just crashes with a stupid error that makes 0 sense. Something about a NoneType not being callable or something, I don't even know, but that's not you doing anything wrong. It's just a piece that is too new for it. So that one line actually fixes it. Alright, so step 3, all you gotta do is record yourself. So now we gotta get a clip of our own voice for 12 seconds. We're gonna talk normal. We're not gonna perform. We're just gonna talk like you're actually talking to a friend, right? That's the whole requirement. There's no training, no uploading 100 files, no waiting overnight, just simply 12 seconds. So here's the thing that actually surprised me though. it doesn't even have to have a studio. That was a normal microphone, a simple desk microphone, $20 at Walmart. Or I could use this one that I have recording here, but for that one I use a mic from Walmart just to show you on a budget. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is record that 12 seconds right here. Alright, so let's just do it. I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to type in clone-me, and here we go. We're going to clone me. Now I'm just going to talk for 12 seconds just like this until the timer runs out. So that way it can capture my pauses, my breaks, and how I naturally talk. Okay, now here it is. It's cloning right now, and it's about to say something that I actually...
Okay, so real quick. I never said this sentence. This came off the graphics card sitting under my desk, and nothing left the house.
Right? I mean, that was pretty quick for recording it right now in 12 seconds. I mean, pretty awesome. But here's the bit that I wish somebody told me the day one, right? So the model takes about 7 seconds to load. And everybody starts afresh every single time that they actually want a sentence. So 7 seconds, 7 seconds, 7 seconds, and then they decide it's too slow, and then they quit. Almost like I almost did. But it's actually not slow, because if you load it one time and leave it sitting there, and every sentence after that, it comes out in about 2 seconds. That's the whole trick. Just simply leave it running. So, alright, at the beginning of the video, I promised you the catch. So, 4-line, a sentence, or a notification, it's actually unbelievable. But for narrating a whole video, it definitely isn't there yet. It hallucinates a little bit and it starts spitting out some gibberish at you. So I'm not going to sit there, right here and tell you that it's definitely ready for it, because it's not. It's still pretty cool for some stuff. But, so who this video isn't for is if you already have a decent card on your machine. Like I said, obviously it's free and it's 10 minutes. But if you're narrating videos for clients or doing an audiobook or something that somebody actually pays you for, then I'd say pay $22 and use someone else's cloud software, right? Instead of this local chatterbox. So you'll spend more time redoing takes than the sub actually costs you, and your time is worth way more than that. So one last thing here is it's worth more than everything that I actually just showed you. So 12 seconds is enough. 12 seconds of anybody's voice. So maybe stop putting yours up on everything. And that's not being me dramatic, because look, I'm doing it here too, but that's actually where we are now. So I'd rather you hear it from me than find out some other way. So everything's free and it's all linked below. So if you want the page with the exact commands so you don't have to pause this 8 times, then comment voice or just check out in the description. Catch you in the next video.